Tama. Pa. Bro!
Jan! 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 Yan na daw kayo. Hindi na daw kayo bababa.
Bye-bye! Diyan lang kayo, ha?
Welcome to the Eclipse. Please secure all loose belongings. Kindly remain seated while we continue to load the ride. For safety, please do not walk the boat. Keep your arms and legs inside the gondola at all times. Flight attendant will engage your safety restraint shortly. This ride is not recommended for guests with the
Good luck,
following health
Chloe.
recent surgery or illness, weak heart, pregnancy, weak back or neck, high or low blood pressure, fear of heights, intoxicated, or under medication. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the Eclipse.
She's so serious. She's scared. Wave your feet, ah. Ganon-ganon ka lang.
Ayun, o. Go!
Enjoy, Chloe! Enjoy! Scared, eh?
Please wait until the gondola reaches the ground level to visit water.
Ay, hindi
Wait
pala.
until the restraint is unlocked. Kindly check your seats and the arch of the bin for any loose belongings that you might have left behind. Should you wish to ride once more,
Nakakatakot.
please alight and kindly fall in line again. Thank you for riding the Eclipse and have an enchanting day at Enchanted Kingdom.
Hindi ka nasasakay sa isang ride?
Ha?
Hindi nasasakay? Diyos dito.
Sana dito sila sa pakay ko.
Chloe! Chloe!
Welcome to the Eclipse.
Chloe! Chloe! Chloe!
Parang bang
Safety restraint. This one is recommended for guests with wrong health condition. Recent surgery
Hindi ah, wala naman dito.
weak back or neck, high or low blood pressure, fear of heights, intoxicated, under medication. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the Eclipse.
I will give it to them. shops. Doon meron na. Dito. Here. The closest here. Mahal na sila.
Ito tayo.
Akala ko naman, tala isang ganun guys na.
Kaya nga eh.
Eh, ibabalik, huwag na.
Ibabalik na. Balik ka rin. Alam ko tatlong makikita ka pag another.
Punta na ako doon, ha? Punta ako doon sa Karaw. Natatakot para sa bata to. Nakakabahan ako. Anak ko, gusto anak. Anak! Gusto, nakakabahan ako. Anak! Asan ka ba? Nakakabahan ako si Chloe. Umiiyak na yung anak ko. Grabe, uy! Oh, shucks! Nakatakot talaga. Ay. Sige lang na, parang party lang yan. Alright, alright, alright. Enjoy the party. Eva, Eva, Eva. Dapat po sinamahan ko. Pakahilo eh. Hi, Chloe!
Please wait until the gondola reaches the ground level to ascend. And wait until the restraint is unlocked. Kindly choose your seats and depart in.
Sorry, sorry. Picture.
If you wish to ride once more, please alight in friendly fall and ride again.
Oh,
Thank you for riding the Eclipse and have a enchanting day at Enchanted Kingdom.
Mamla tong batang to. I know, how was it? Life changing? Life changing? Takot ka.
Yung katabi ko, alala sa akin eh.
Bakit?
Kasi nung pagdilat ko, di ba, nung first stress namin, di ba, pumagal nung first, tapos yung second parang nagganon ulit, tinitingnan niya ako eh. Tapos ano siya eh, sabi niya, ay, may isa pa? Okay lang, basta parang magpupo lang ako, okay lang ako.
Ano ka nagpupo? Mas maganda ba yung tower, promise? At least nasulit mo na. Kumpara sa akin, yung paikot-ikot akong ganyan, mas gusto ko na yung tower.
May bago na akong fifth favorite.
Ito, favorite mo to?
Pang-5.
O, di ba nabalikan mo? Gusto mo pa?
Ayoko na.
Bakit?
Huwag mo na ngayon.
Ay, ito lang, Dajem. Promise, pag try mo itong mataas na to, gugustuhan mo to. Nagustuhan ko nga to, 5 seconds drop eh.
Yung katabi ko kalmado, tsaka alalang-alala sa akin eh.
Picturean pala kita, halika. Alala. Alala nga ako sa'yo, eh. Sabi ko, ano ba to? Pero para kasing party yung itsura eh, no?
Tapos maganda nga may sounds eh.
Mas maganda may sounds. Kasi parang party. Oh, wait. Wait lang. Wait lang.